Over here, Sammy. Ride your bike over here. Well, why don't you ride it?
Ride it?
Yeah.
Ride it?
Ride your bike.
Will you listen to me? Daddy! 3, 12, start!
Okay, guys, come on over here. Livy, can you say hi?
Woo!
Can you say Happy Halloween?
Happy Halloween!
Livy,
We still ride my bike.
can you say trick or treat?
We still ride my bike.
No, why don't you put your bike in the garage?
No, I want to stay in the garage.
Put it in the garage, please.
No.
Just for a little bit. We'll go in the house.
We're going to come back out?
Yeah.
I want to
Put it in the garage.
we're going out?
After a bit, put it in the garage. Really?
I cannot.
Why would you do that?
I don't want to be in there. I want the buggy. I want my buggy to be in there.
Hey, Livy.
I want to see the garage. What's wrong with the paint?
I got you. Okay. That's enough. Okay. Say bye-bye, everybody. That's all.